Imagine a world where you hold the key to effortless abundance. Did you know that the words you choose today possess a divine power to attract wealth into your life effortlessly? It's as simple as embracing 3 powerful words that can unlock the prosperity you seek without relying on years of luck. But here's the exciting part. Do you have the courage to speak these words with unwavering belief? It's not just about uttering those 3 godly words, it's about embodying them completely. Few realize that you have the incredible ability to reshape your reality solely through the words you speak and your consciousness. The choice is yours. Are you ready to harness this extraordinary power and let your life undergo a remarkable change? God isn't some far-off being in space. It's like this incredible creative energy that's part of every tiny cell in your body and every little piece of the world around you. Picture this lively force buzzing inside you, all around you. Now, here's the cool part in Shin photography, the first kind that captures the energy coming from your body. You can see proof that this energy is there in you. It's like you're plugged into this never-ending energy, opening the doors to God's creative power that makes everything happen. Cool, right? This power is already at your fingertips. The key lies in recognizing and embracing the fact that this energy is not only a part of you, but also a connection to the boundless creative power of God. Your journey begins with your words, and it's time to liberate yourself from restrictive thinking. Break away from that part of you that's holding you back from your divine self. Open up your mind and declare in the comments below, "I'm ready to embrace the God within." Understand that your openness to something new is the key to unlocking it. Your future is eagerly waiting for your call to existence. Visualize it like a treasure chest overflowing with opportunities, love and success. You chose by clicking on this video, choosing to install a new mental software that transforms your mindset from scarcity to abundance. You're ready to receive, and the law of attraction, like a powerful magnet, is drawing to you what you focus on. Imagine it like a planet pulling things into your orbit, with your energy field as the force attracting material things toward you. Feel that energy, sense that force. Consider this. Science reveals that everything, including your thoughts and feelings, is energy. Your hand is energy. You release and emit energy in many forms: love, anger, excitement, sadness. You have the power to shake up your brain, telling it to ditch those old repeating patterns. That's how you start building a brand new reality. I want you to inform that Say's Publications has launched their new ebook, The Law of Assumption. This ebook consists of a full detailed guide on how to manifest using the law of assumption. You can get the copy of this ebook plus other various ebooks, which will be released soon. Link is in the description. You can check out after completing this video. I've got this awesome affirmation that I like to throw out into the universe, and you might want to give it a shot too. Ready for it? Say to yourself, "I'm ready to grab all the good stuff that's waiting for me." Trust me, there's a heap of good things just hanging out, waiting for you. Why not believe it, right? Take a moment and declare, "I'm ready to snag all the good that's waiting for me from God or life or wherever it's coming from." Because here's the thing, the law of attraction is always doing its thing. Unfortunately, for many folks, it's pulling in negative vibes because of their old not-so-great mental programming. No need to break the bank searching for a guru meditating on some Himalayan peak, and you don't have to spend a decade digging into every childhood memory, though sure, that might have its perks. The game can change today, right now. You've got the power to ask the universe for proof. Let me tell you a story of a monk. There's a monk, right? So you're on this quest for wisdom and enlightenment, and you turn to this wise monk, like, "Hey, how do I get all enlightened?" The monk doesn't say a word. Instead, he takes you to this serene stream, picturesque and all that. Out of the blue, he dips your head underwater. You pop back up, gasping for air, probably freaking out a bit, and you're like, "What was that about?" The monk drops some wisdom on you, When you were underwater, all you wanted was air. He compares it to your relentless pursuit of grabbing all the good vibes that God and the universe are throwing your way. It's like wanting the universe's abundance as much as you want to take a breath. Start by sending out a fresh, open vibe into the universe, because guess what? The money, love, relationships, that dream job, the perfect house, it's all already waiting for you. You start realizing that everything you desire is patiently waiting for you to get in sync with it. That's when the mountains shift, the stars line up, and things happen so quickly that you're left wondering, where were these things hiding for so long? I get it, it sounds simple, right? But how do you make this work for your prosperity? These 3 powerful words can change your life completely. I accept, deserve, and allow. Try saying these words to yourself a solid 100 times. Feel the goodness that comes with accepting, knowing you deserve, and allowing. Simple, right? But in our super analytical minds, simplicity doesn't always mean it's a walk in the park. So let's break it down for you to feel it right now. Step 1. Dive into the world of abundance. Imagine it like the universe is just itching to hand you everything you need. But here's the catch: in this world of free will, it's waiting for you to tune into it. That's the deal. Say to yourself, I accept, deserve, and allow. It's not just words. It's a tangible shift in vibes, bringing you into a new point of attraction, a fresh vibration, a whole new reality. Now, get your mind and heart in gear, all right? You've waited long enough, maybe a tad too long. It's high time you let yourself receive what's rightfully yours. You're worthy, and struggling isn't your only purpose. It's just there to nudge you toward what you're truly meant for. Next up, step 2. Acknowledge your divine value. You're not just some tiny part of the universe or a random meat suit descended from apes. You're connected with the Holy Spirit, and it's in every single cell of your body. When you affirm your true worth, it's like flipping on a light switch, brightening up the darkness that might be lingering. Step 3 is all about tuning into that positive energy, basically changing the channel on your mental radio station. It's a conscious decision to feel good. As Wayne Dyer used to say, I intend to feel good. When you make that intentional shift to feel good, you're tapping into a higher energy, feeling connected, and starting to receive those divine blessings. It's not just wishful thinking, it's a real concrete change happening in your brain and nervous system. It's like opening a medicine cabinet full of peace and joy, because guess what? It's been patiently waiting for you. Your brain, it's like a medicine cabinet. Just let that sink in and feel the gratitude bubbling up. When you're in this state, every action you take seems destined for success. Here's the thing to remember: everything in the universe, money, wealth, anything you desire, is crafted from this divine essence of God. Albert Einstein once said, the biggest choice you make is whether you live in a friendly or hostile universe. Let me remind you, you live in a friendly universe. It's got your back. You're a divine being, totally good enough, completely worthy. Repeat after me. I accept, I'm worth it, I allow. You're worthy of all that you desire, so get ready to receive. Look around. What are you prepared to welcome into your life? Maybe your neighbor has a slick car. That could be a sign that you're ready for more abundance. Or you could think, man, I wish I had one of those. 2 different vibes: one opens you up to receive, the other blocks the flow. Take control of your energy and watch how quickly the law of attraction works. Those 3 words, they're game changers for shifting your vibe. Click right here for another simple prayer technique to transform your life. Ready to take charge of your energy? Your shift awaits. Happy manifesting.